Great. Okay, so here's the thing with radicals, right? And just so you know, 53 is a prime number. That's why you can't really simplify 53 because if it's a prime number, remember, it's only going to be having factors of itself and 1, right? So 53 times 1 is going to be 53. So you only have two factors, which is itself and 1. That's why you cannot really simplify the radical form of 53. So when you simplify this, right, it's still going to be the square root of 53, right? If that's what they're referring to. So, so I believe, yeah, they're saying it's square root of 53, so this is right. And then they're giving you a couple more examples, which is not really relevant. So, square root of 53, right? Simplified form is still going to be itself, right? Why? Because it's a prime number. 53 is a prime number. So, and also for prime numbers, I know it's kind of difficult to memorize all of your prime numbers, but that's the only way to go. There's no trend. Because I know some students they prefer trying to memorize the trend as opposed to just the numbers, right? So, all you have to do really for prime numbers is to know them by heart. So solution is correct.